In this video, I'll show you how to create a double exposure effect in DaVinci Resolve using just a few simple steps. No studio-only features are required, so you can follow along in the free version. First, make sure you have two video clips stacked on top of each other in the timeline. The top clip should have strong contrast between light and dark areas. This helps the effect look more pronounced. Select the top clip, then go to the color page. Once you're there, look for the curves icon. You'll find it in the toolbar below the viewer. Click it to open the custom curves editor. Now, we want to increase the contrast by darkening the shadows. In the curve graph, click the line near the bottom left and gently drag it down and slightly to the right. This adjustment helps blend the layers more effectively in the next step. Next, go back to the edit page. With the top clip still selected, open the inspector, then scroll down to the composite section. Click on the composite mode dropdown. You'll see a list of blend modes like normal, screen, multiply, and so on. For this effect, try selecting Add. This mode blends the brightness of both layers and gives that dreamy double exposure look. You can experiment with other modes too, like screen or overlay, depending on the contrast and style of your clips. That's it. You've created a simple and cinematic double exposure effect directly in DaVinci Resolve.